technological projects by Shayan Sanat Falat Ghareha for enhancing production quality and efficiency at steel plants. Shayan Sanat Falat Ghareha, as a leading knowledge-based company specializing in advanced industrial technologies, has developed 3 strategic projects designed to elevate the quality and efficiency of production processes at steel plants. These projects focus on implementing cutting-edge technologies in surface defect inspection, 3-dimensional measurement, and slab length and velocity control. Each initiative aims to significantly reduce waste, enhance production workflows, and ensure top-quality output. Below is an in-depth overview of these projects, their objectives, key equipment, and expected outcomes. 1. Surface Defect Inspection System for Steel Slabs. This system employs state-of-the-art sensors and high-temperature resistant cameras to detect and classify surface defects on steel slabs in real time. The system ensures the immediate identification of longitudinal and transverse cracks, grooves, and other surface irregularities, with results seamlessly transmitted to the control room for prompt action. Key equipment: high-temperature cameras capable of operating at temperatures up to 1300 degrees Celsius. Specialized defect detection sensors. Advanced image processing software for defect identification and classification. Key advantages: enhanced accuracy in identifying surface defects, even under challenging conditions. Automated detection, minimizing the risk of human error. Comprehensive data storage for generating quality control reports and defect trend analysis. Reduction in production waste and costs associated with defective products. 2. 3-dimensional measurement system for produced slabs using precision laser sensors. This system provides accurate, non-contact measurements of steel slabs' dimensions, including length, width, and thickness, even at high temperatures. The data integrates directly into the production control system for real-time optimization. Key equipment: high-precision 3D laser sensors for dimensional analysis. Laser scanners designed to withstand high-temperature environments. Data processing software for real-time analysis and integration with control systems. Key advantages: reliable dimensional measurements under extreme conditions. Reduction in material waste and rework by ensuring dimensional accuracy. Seamless integration with existing production monitoring systems. Improved efficiency in quality assurance processes. 3. Slab length and velocity measurement system. This laser-based system accurately measures the length and velocity of moving steel slabs without any physical contact. It delivers precise, real-time data to the control room, allowing for immediate adjustments and optimization. Key equipment: long-range laser sensors capable of maintaining accuracy at high temperatures. Thermal management systems to ensure consistent sensor performance. Data analysis software for real-time monitoring and reporting. Key advantages: accurate tracking of slab dimensions and movement speeds. Enhanced process control through integration with production monitoring systems. Reduction in production downtime and material losses. Integrated benefits: these systems are designed to work independently or as an integrated package. They are compatible with optical character recognition (OCR) technologies, enabling comprehensive tracking and documentation of surface defects, dimensions, length, and velocity. The implementation of these systems ensures optimized production workflows, reduced operational costs, higher quality end products, improved compliance with international standards. Proposal for execution: Shayan Sanat Falat Ghareha is fully equipped to execute these projects with precision and efficiency. These systems can be tailored to meet the specific requirements of different production segments in steel plants. Our team will ensure seamless installation, integration, and support, enabling the plant to achieve its quality and efficiency goals. Shayan Sanat Falat Ghareh remains committed to driving technological advancements in the steel industry and looks forward to partnering with steel plants to achieve these transformative outcomes.